Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. How are you all? Hope you all will fine. I am going to start my instructions regarding the chapter during the class. Okay. Welcome to class 5, first term 2021 and 2022. Okay. These are the some instructions that you will have to follow during the class. Listen the teacher quietly and carefully during the teaching. Don't unmute yourself and note down the query on a separate page and ask at the end of the lesson. Don't raise your hand during the teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching in the chat box. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Feed your ID password properly with your name and class. Take care of your time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to rejoin again within the 3 to 5 minutes. Don't turn on video during teaching, okay? Now, I am going to start my first slide. Before starting the first slide, I just want to share, I have already shared last week, that how you will have to maintain your first page of your copy, that is face sheet. Name of the student, father's name, class section, roll number, subject teacher name and class teacher name. Okay. Now the unit title page of the unit, how you will manage this page. Unit of the lesson, unit of the number 3, title of the unit, reduce, reuse and recycle. Starting date 24th of May 2021 and ending date 31st of May 2021. Okay, this is your outline of the lesson. Short question answers, descriptive question answers, activity based question answers, challenging question answers. These all are the activities you have practiced. Okay, and after finishing the lesson you just put the quantity of the lesson, quantity of the question. Okay, this is your motivational activity that we have already shared last week. This is the international symbol of reuse, reduce and recycle. Okay, this is unit 3, reduce, reuse and recycle. I am going to start quick preview of last class. By the end of the unit, a student will be able to define the term reduce, reuse and recycle, explain how can we reduce our domestic waste, differentiate between reuse and reduce, make a mind map on reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, this is the definition of recycle: making new material or product from waste material is called recycle. As you can see from the picture, there are a lot of the things that can make from the waste material. For example, we can recycle plastic bottles, newspaper, old clothes, jewelry boxes, jam and spices jar, etc. Okay. This is the definition of reuse. Using things over and over again is called reuse. Okay. What is the definition? Using things over and over again is called reuse. An example of the reuse thing is glass jar for storage spices. As you can see from the picture carefully, watch the picture carefully. Storage spices and other items, plastic containers and old dresses give to the charities, etc. Reduce definition. Making less trash is called reduce. Making less trash is called reduce. An example are here. We use less packaging of different products like food items and other items instead of using plastic bag. We should use clothes bags, less packaging of shoes, packaging of jewelry, cutlery items, makeup, etc. Okay. These all are the things that we have shared last week. Advantages of recycling. There are many advantages of recycling. Through recycling, we can save our energy resources like electricity and gas. Recycling plants don't pollute the air as much as the plant for new product. Recycling also provides many jobs to the people. Okay. Advantages of reducing and reusing. What are the advantages of reusing and using? I am going to tell you. Prevent pollution caused by the reducing. The need of to harvest. What is the meaning of the harvest? The process or period of gathering in crops new raw material. Okay. What is the meaning of harvest? The process or period of gathering in crops new raw material. Saves energy. Reduces greenhouse gas emissions. What is the meaning of emissions? Discharge energy. Okay. First we use the meaning of the recharge and discharges consumption of the energy. They contribute to global climate change. Helps sustain the environment for future generations. Saves money. Reduces the amount of waste. Okay. This is the home task that I have shared already last week. These are the some question answers in the category short and descriptive. Okay. How is the land being polluted? What do you understand by the word 3 R's? What is recycling and how it is beneficial for us? Which material can be recycled? Give some examples. Differentiate between reduce, reuse, at least 3 for each. First question, second question, and third is first, second, and third are the short, and rest of the others are descriptive. This is your mind map. What you will have to do in this mind map, you just put the examples and different type of the advantages you also put in this mind map. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay. Look at the chart below. How can these material can be reused? This activity is also present in your book's page number 12. Okay. Glass jar, flower vases, container for keeping spices. Papers, we can make different type of the flowers, different type of the other things, envelopes and other things we can make by the help of the paper. Plastic containers, we just keep different type of the spices, different type of the food items in for keeping safe in that plastic containers. Okay. Cloth, how you will maintain or how you will reuse cloth. We can change old clothes into the new clothes, into different type of the product. Like we can use different type of the old laces for making the new vases and other things. This is the example. Boxes, we just keep all the different type of the raw material and trash material and so in keeping in the boxes, containers. Okay. This is your book activity. It is given on page number 12. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I am going to start day 2 lecture. Okay. This is your motivational activity. Okay. In this slide, I am going to present your motivational activities. Watch carefully these pictures. Okay. Do you have any idea about it? Which type of the topic these pictures belongs to? Okay, I am going to tell you. These pictures are belong to the different type of the pollution. Before starting the topic, I just want to share the objective of today. Okay. By the end of the unit, the student will be able to define pollution, define definition of pollutant, explain different type of the pollution, define different benefits of 3 R's, write different type of the suggestions to control pollution. Okay, these are the objectives of today. Okay, first of all, I am going to explain you pollutant. The things which pollute our environment are called pollutant. For example, garbage, smoke from vehicles and pollutes sea, water, etc. Okay, pollution means making the world dirty by adding harmful or unpleasant material to it. It simply means the wrong material in the wrong place in the wrong quantities at the wrong time. Okay, it's called the pollutant. Different type of the pollution. There are different type of the pollution like water pollution, air pollution, solid waste pollution and noise pollution. All of these can be found in urban areas. The main sources of pollution are household activities, factories, agriculture and transport. Okay, these are the different type of the pollution. Okay, first of all I am going to explain you land pollution. Land pollution, the disposition of solid or liquid waste material on land or underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil and groundwater, threaten public health and cause unsightly condition and nuisance. Such land pollution can contaminate the soil and water and it is unhealthy and it is affect our health. Okay, now I'm going to explain you further. Land become dirty when the trash is thrown improperly. We have different type of the example like we have seen in our area, in our vicinity, in a different type of the street. We have seen lot of the people that are thrown different type of the garbage, different type of the litters on the floor, on the street and also thrown on the roads. It can make the environment dirty and it can increases the land pollution. Okay, and it will also make the unhealthy environment for human being, all the human beings and all the living things, not on the humans, it also effectful for the other living things. Okay, sometimes people ruin the beauty of the nature by throwing junk and litter on land. As I told you, soil also gets polluted due to excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. Do you have any idea about the meaning of the fertilizers? Those things that are producing different type of the crops, that material is called the fertilizers, which is thrown onto the soil. Okay, and after that we will get different type of the crops on such type of the land. Okay, and what is the meaning of the pesticides? What is the meaning of the pesticides? The chemicals which we are throwing onto the crops is called the get rid of the different type of the germs, different type of the you can say the insects is called pesticides. Okay, improper disposals of the trash containing dangerous chemical substances make the soil dirty. Polluted soil reduces the land available for growing crops. It also destroys the habitat of the animals and the plants. As I told you, now I am going to share you another slide, another type of the land pollution, water pollution. Water pollution is the pollution of bodies of the water such as lakes, rivers, seas, the oceans as well as groundwater. It occurs when pollutants reach these bodies of the water without treatment. Waste from the homes, factories and other buildings get into the bodies and as the result water gets contaminate the water polluted. Okay, we have different type of the example as we have seen, as you can see from the picture. The picture shows us the different type of the chemical that has thrown different type of the industries and different type of the chemical industries that thrown into the seas and oceans. In that sense, the different type of the different type of the animals that are living in the under the water of the seas and oceans, that they will become died. Okay, and it is also harmful for all the human beings. Okay, air pollution. What is the air pollution? Air pollution refers to any physical, chemical or biological change in the air. It is contamination of air by harmful gases, dust and smoke which affects plants, animals, humans drastically. Drastically means very dangerously. Okay, there is a certain percentage of the gases present in the air. Okay, as you can see from the picture, there is a different type of the chemicals that are thrown, different type of the industries into the air. Okay, How we will have to control the environmental pollution, air pollution. We just maintain our vehicles engines properly in order to keep the environment safe from the air pollution. Smoke from the vehicle industries, power plants and burning of trash makes the air dirty. When people make the air dirty, they pollute it. Polluted air is harmful to living things. It is very harmful for all the living things because it is a certain amount of the oxygen amount in the air that we will have to breathe it all. Okay, if the certain amount of the oxygen is not present in the air, how we will can breathe? Okay, sometime, most of the time we will become suffocated in that environment because the environment gets very polluted. Okay, polluted air is harmful to living things. It can make people sick. Coughing and other breathing problems occur due to the polluted air. People also pollute water, dumping garbage into the water. It makes dirty. Water also becomes polluted due to the sewage, oil, chemical spills from different industries and ships. As I told you, paints, insecticides and some of the cleaning products used in our homes also pollute the water if they are not disposed of properly. Polluted water makes our people sick. It can kill plants and animals that live in it or drink from it. Okay, I'm going to share you another slide. Causes of pollution. There are the different causes of the pollution. Air can be polluted by many things. Example include the poisonous gases. As I told you, the example of the different chemical consumptions that are thrown into the spread into the air. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide and very small particulates, smokes and harmful gases released by fires. Industries and thermal power plants cause air pollution. Using coal and wood as fuel for fire causes a lot of air pollution. Okay, I am going to share you another slide. This is home tasks. Before starting the home tasks, I just want to share how can we control, how can we reduce the pollution. People can help keep the air clean. They can use buses or trains instead of cars. Bicycles can be used for short distances. We have example of the different European countries. Instead of using different type of the vehicles, they keep on preferring different type of the bicycles. Okay, it makes our body healthy. Okay, as well as to control the pollution, we are using such type of the things. People can also keep the air clean by not burning trash. This is also the very harmful thing for the environment, that we are burning the trash. Okay, it is also affect the greenhouse. Okay, using cleaner fuels can also reduce the air pollution by vehicles. Industries or factories can use cleaner technologies. People can also ask their representatives in the government to make laws for controlling air pollutions. Okay, people can also help keep water clean by not dumping garbage into the water. They should dispose their trash which contains dangerous chemicals and oil properly. The factories can use advanced waste water treatment plants before disposing of their waste material into the water. People can keep their locality clean by not throwing trash in improper places. They can also make less trash using less fertilizers and pesticides. Okay, can reduce soil pollution. People can also plant more trees, useful and natural fertilizers to make the land more fertile. Okay, more fertile means the land become more fruitful for the growing the different type of the crops. There are many organizations in the world which are working to protect the environment. They can be asked for help. Many countries in the world today are facing the problem of pollution. The developed countries are making serious effects to decrease the level of the pollution, but it is the opposite in many developing countries which are rapidly becoming industrialized. Our country is also a developing country, and efforts should be made by all the people, the government and the industries to keep our environment clean and safe. It is necessary that everyone becomes aware of what is happening to the land, water and air around us. We need to think of ways to avoid polluting our land, water and airs. Okay, I'm going now. It's time to share your home task. Okay, day 2 home task. These are the questions. What are the pollutant? What is the meaning of the pollutant? And as I have shared with you, now I am going to share with you again. What are the pollutant? Okay, the things which pollute our environment are called pollutants. Pollution affects our health and quality of life badly. Okay, as question number 2 is write different type of the pollutions names. It is your short question. First question is short and second is also the short question. Okay. Third is different type of the plant pollutions as I have shared with you: air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, okay, soil pollution. Explain at least 5 to 6 times on this topic. This is your descriptive question. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. Okay. Explain at least into the 5 to 6 times, and this chapter is also present in your book page number 5 to 6. Okay, the challenging one question is write different type of the suggestions to control pollution. What are the different type of the suggestion to control pollution? As I have shared with you, instead of using different type of the vehicles, we should prefer like bicycles. For the short distance, we should prefer different type of the bicycles and to control the air pollution. Okay, and we have another solution. Instead of dumping the trash onto the floor, we should be thrown into the dustbin properly. Okay, we have I have already shared the examples in my lecture. Okay, now activity based question. Make any type of the creative thing. Okay, make any type of creative thing by using recycling materials. Ideas should be creative, like different type of the like you will have to make the basket of the from the raw material of the new old magazines. Okay, and you can maintain your flower vase by the help of the plastic bottles, reused plastic bottle. Okay, this is your closure activities. It is given also in your book page number 12. Okay, but I have added different type 4 or 5 blanks more. Okay, in this closure activity, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First is domestic waste is increasing due to dash. Okay, dash is the biggest threat to our environment. Using things over and over again is called. Okay, making new product from waste material is. Recycling needs dash energy. The things which pollute the environment are called pesticides. Pesticide means dash, insecticides means dash. I am going to repeat all the slides of today's homework and previous homework. Today's homework. Okay. These are the question. Question number 1 and question number 2 are the short, and 3 is descriptive question. In this question of descriptive of 3, air pollution, water pollution and land pollution, you will have to write 5 to 6 points at least. Write different suggestions to control pollution, at least 6. Take the screenshot. Make any type of the creative things by using recycling materials. Ideas should be creative. This is your closure activities. Activity I am going to repeat again all the blanks. Okay, domestic waste increasing due to world population. increases day by day. Dash is the biggest threat to our environment, pollution. Using things over and over again is reuse. Making new product from waste material is called recycling. Recycling needs less energy. The things which pollute our environment are called pollutant. Pesticides means the chemical which is thrown onto the crops is called the pesticide. Insecticides, it is a specific term for killing the different type of the insects that are spreading on the crops. For killing them, such type of the spray is called fumigation, is called insecticides. Okay, I just want to repeat one thing, that all are the advantages of how can we reduce the pollution. Okay, I'm going to repeat because most of the students they are asking me. People can help keep the air clean. They can use buses or train instead of cars. Bicycle can be used for short distance. Okay, short distances we should prefer by using the bicycles and such type of the vehicles that are not consuming the such type of the smoke or other air pollution. Okay, and we should also maintain our vehicles engines properly. People can also keep the air clean by not burning trash. Using cleaning fuels can also reduce the air pollution by vehicles. Industries or factories can use cleaning technologies. People can also ask their representatives in the government to make laws for controlling air pollution. People can also help keep water clean by not dumping garbage into the water. They should dispose their trash which contains dangerous chemicals and oils properly. The factories can use advanced waste water treatment plants before disposing of their waste materials into the water. People can keep their locality clean by not throwing the trash in proper places. They can also make less trash using less fertilizers, and pesticides can reduce soil pollution. People can plant more trees and use natural fertilizers to make the land more fertile. More fertile means to become the land more producing more crops. Okay, there are many organizations in the world which are working to protect the environment. These can be asked for help. Many countries in the world today are facing the problem of pollution. The developed countries are making serious effort to decrease the level of the pollution, but it is the opposite in many developing countries, which are rapidly become industrialized. Our country is also developing country, and efforts should be made by all the people, the government and the industries to keep our environment clean and safe. It is necessary that everyone becomes aware of what is happening into the land, water and air around us. We need to think of ways to avoid polluting our land, water and air. Okay, as the world population increases, our domestic waste also increases vastly. Okay, our waste today mostly consists of paper, rags, metal, glass, bottles, plastic containers and all the other countless rubbish that we put into the dustbin every day. If these wastes are not disposed of properly, they become pollutant of our land, and as we know it very well, pollution is the greatest threat to our environment. At the end, I just want to repeat my words. Reducing means making less trash, and reuse means using things over and over again, and recycle is making new material or products from the waste material is called the recycle. Okay, hope you can. Okay, we can avoid pollution by making the less trash, that is reduce or using things over and over again, that is reuse. The things which cannot be reused may be converted into some new material. Okay, or products, that is recycle. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.